I'm just starting the last leg of the Fife Coastal Path. This part will be from Newport-on-Tay to a place called Newborough. I've just left Newport-on-Tay and I'm coming up to a place called Wormit, and I'll be going under the rail bridge. That's it there. Over there on the other side is Dundee, and that's the rail bridge there, as you see, just in the forefront. I'll be going to there shortly. Should take me about 17 miles, roughly 5.5 to 6 hours. Hopefully, weather's nice. I'll be stopping halfway for something to eat. So, this is Wormit Bay. Nice little place for a break. As you see there, there's the Tay rail bridge. We'll be heading just around the coast, follow the coast all the way around, and we will be coming to the Fife Coastal Path highest point shortly. It is 200 odd metres, but I'll point that out when I get to it. But yeah, what a cracking day. The sea is calm as a mill pond, and there's a crane or something. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh, it has better luck fishing than I do. I'd say ideal day for the last leg of the this walk. This is the second one of these carvings I've seen. Very nice, little seal. That's me about a mile outside Wormit, making good progress, but it's just so quiet and peaceful. It's brilliant. I've not met anybody or come across any other walkers at the moment, but yeah, we're starting to now climb up out of Wormit. So yeah, I think I get to a place called, let me have a look, Balmerno. I'm probably not saying that right, which is about 1.5 miles. Possibly, I think it's a little village. About 3 miles from where I started. It's just come through a nice shaded little wood there. It's lovely, as I say, peaceful. Not seen anybody yet, but you come out to this and now you're alongside the river itself and by the shore. So I think I'll follow this for a couple of more miles and then I'll start climbing and see me go through some pine woods and that. But it's been a cracking day. Ideal weather, really. They look like holiday lets or something. How nice would that be? Just stay there for a few days, just chilling out. Just come up to the 7 mile point since I started this morning. That there in front is a ruin, castle ruin called, hope I'm saying it like, Creek Castle. It's lovely around here, it's so quiet. Today I've passed one dog walker, one jogger and 3 people in the forestry chopping down trees or doing something. But that's it. Besides that, nobody. I don't know if you can see the days in the field over there. Just past the 9 mile point, and now I reached a place called Norman's Law, which is the highest point on the Fife Coastal Path, with 285 metres or somewhere around about that. But from the road, it's quite a walk up to the top of this, so as you can probably hear by my breathing. So I'm now looking for somewhere to sit, get my breath back, get a bite to eat and a drink. So it's about 7 miles to go, probably take about 2 hours, and that'll be me in Newborough. But yeah, quite a climb that was. That's me now, around about 13.5 mile. I've got about, I'd reckon, 2.5 miles left. I think that over there, and the distance over there, is Newborough, which would be obviously is the finishing point. But as I say before, it's been a lovely day. Not seen anybody, been on my own all the way, but it's been a cracking walk. Look at this sky, it's beautiful. Ideal walking, although some parts have been a bit hot, so sweat's been pouring off me walking up these hills. But not long to go now, and it looks like it's all downhill for me as well. So I'll catch you at the end. That's me, just finished, just under 6 hours, 16.5 miles. That's my last stage. For me, that was probably my favourite stage. Had everything in it. It had walking through little woods, forest, down farmers' tracks, across fields, across the beach, along the shore. But it's probably the hardest stage as well, because quite a bit of it was uphill and quite steep. But yeah, that's it finished now. I wanted to get it finished earlier, but between the last stage and this stage I had to take a forced break because of my knees. I wasn't able to walk very far, but that's me finished it now. If for me, would I do it again? Yes, I probably would, but I wouldn't start at Kincardine. I'd missed a Kincardine to North Queen's Ferry bit out, and actually start either at the Forth Road Bridge at North Queen's Ferry, or start at North Queen's Ferry town itself, and then just walk this far, because the first bit from Kincardine to North Queen's Ferry, it's not up to much. You walk along the roads most of it, and it's not the most scenic part of the route. But yeah, now start on my look for my next adventure, which will probably be the 3 Locks Way, but I'll have to think about that one. But that's it, over and finished.